What's the meaning of coalescence? Coalescence. Coalescence.
Coalescence. Coalescence. Coalescence refers to the merging or combining of two or more things into a single entity or group. The result of coalescence may be a stronger and more unified whole, as the individual components come together to form a cohesive unit. This process is commonly observed in various fields such as physics, chemistry, social sciences, and even language, where words and meanings coalesce over time. Coalescence can also refer to the fusion of droplets or particles, forming larger units that can have significant effects in various processes such as cloud formation, precipitation, and chemical reactions.